file. In this lesson, we're going to primarily cover the properties section and what it can do for you. But let's first make this video a little clearer to see. So we're going to turn on the tools section and we're going to activate the histogram just to make everything a little more pronounced. Now we're going to move down through the menu system to get to the properties section. In the properties section, we have the ability to make changes to the frame rate, the volume, what frame we're starting on. We can move down to the next section, which deals with if you have duplicate frames. We can work with fields. Again, the manual goes into great length. I don't want to spend a lot of time here explaining what each feature is because the 30-page manual will guide you through it. But for example, we can turn on the angle section and we can say that we want to rotate this video. So let's go ahead and rotate it 180 degrees. We can actually make this quite exact here. We can also change the resolution of the video. So let's move down to the resize section, turn that on. Let's say we want to preserve the general ratio here, and we can pick a size that we want it to be. At this point, we can see this is a train, but it's difficult to actually make out the details. So we can move down into the channel section here, decide if we want to make the image into a grayscale. We could convert this into a negative. And again, you'll have to play with this based on the video or image you're working with. And experience will help you become more proficient in knowing what to turn on and off to be able to see details clear. There's a full tutorial on this in the Video Cleaner User's Manual, and I do suggest you follow it to further clean up this image. At the very bottom, you'll notice there are two other sliders. One says Enhance Transparency. And as you move this over, you're saying how much of the original do you want to see. Over here, we see completely the original image. Over here, we see the enhanced, and of course, anything in between. This is sort of like that filter at the top that says Deactivate All Enhancements, except this one allows you to blend them together, and sometimes a blend can provide the clearest results. Lastly, we've noted that our color space is RGB32, and we can instead change it to YUV color space, which will make the file take up less room. These two sliders are always going to be at the bottom, even as you turn on or off filter groups. And this completes the properties section of how Video Cleaner works.